Hi everyone, welcome to Droidopedia. Today we are going to show you what are the box contents for iPhone X clone. The box itself looks just like the original box with picture of iPhone X on top, Apple logo, and iPhone on sides. Box contains SIM ejection tool, a small guide with picture of iPhone X showcasing its features. Phone turns on with Apple logo. Swiping up unlocks it. It also contains iTunes, Apple Watch app, App Store, and many other apps. On-screen assistant works flawlessly. Control center is replicated very well, that allows you to change setting, or you can long press any control to zoom it, and use, like screen brightness or volume controls. We cannot compare the performance with original phone, but looking at the effort put to clone, most of the important feature deserve appreciation. On-screen assistant is come with full of features to control the phone. Swiping up from bottom gesture to close current app, or swiping to middle of scene for task manager works great as well. Touch response of this phone is great. About 10% of times phones lag slightly, which is acceptable considering the hardware. I should also tell you guys, notch on this phone is a real, and phone looks exactly like iPhone X. On its left side it houses dedicated mute button, and volume rockers. Being on lower specs, it also performs quite decently. It is not a gaming phone but can handle daily tasks very well. Box comes with wall bracket to charge the phone. AirPods, charging cable with lightning port. Quality of these accessories looks very good, but have to check sound quality of AirPods. Most important thing is a wireless charging capability. Yes, you heard it right, this phone comes with wireless charging. You should use good quality charger. You can use iPhone X case or cover on this phone as well, and it fits really well, providing you access to all buttons and ports as this is one clone. Subscribe to our channel for news, reviews, and unboxing videos.